Homeowners in Metairie are always looking for smart ways to improve comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal, especially with Louisiana's heat, humidity, and sudden storms. One upgrade that's gaining serious momentum is vinyl window replacement. More and more local homeowners are discovering that vinyl windows offer the perfect balance of performance, affordability, and long-term value for homes in the Metairie area. Built for Metairie's climate can be tough on traditional windows. High humidity, intense sunlight, and heavy rain can cause wood frames to warp, rot, or require constant upkeep. Vinyl windows, on the other hand, are designed to handle these conditions with ease. They don't absorb moisture, won't swell or crack, and maintain their shape even during extreme temperature changes. For homeowners tired of battling moisture damage or sticky window frames, vinyl is a game changer. Lower energy bills year-round. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest reasons Metairie homeowners are making the switch. Older windows often allow air leaks that force HVAC systems to work overtime, especially during long, hot summers. Modern vinyl windows are engineered with advanced insulation, multi-pane glass options, and tight seals that help keep cool air inside and heat outside. The result? A more comfortable home and noticeable savings on monthly energy bills. Many homeowners report more consistent indoor temperatures and fewer hotspots after upgrading to vinyl windows. Low maintenance, high convenience. Life in Metairie is busy, and homeowners don't want to spend weekends sanding, painting, or sealing window frames. Vinyl windows are virtually maintenance-free. They never need repainting, resist fading, and clean easily with just soap and water. This low-maintenance appeal is especially attractive to families, retirees, and anyone who wants a beautiful home without the constant upkeep. Vinyl windows let homeowners enjoy their space, not maintain it. Affordable without sacrificing quality. Compared to other window materials, vinyl windows deliver exceptional value. They are typically more affordable upfront while still offering excellent durability and performance. For Metairie homeowners planning renovations, replacements, or upgrades on a budget, vinyl windows provide a cost-effective solution without compromising quality. Because they're long-lasting and energy-efficient, vinyl windows also help homeowners save money over time, making them a smart financial decision, not just a cosmetic one. Style options that match any home. Today's vinyl windows aren't limited to basic white frames. Homeowners in Metairie can choose from a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes that complement everything from classic Louisiana homes to modern designs. Whether it's double-hung, casement, sliding, bay, or picture windows, vinyl offers versatility to match any architectural style. Many vinyl windows also feature tilt-in designs, making cleaning easier, especially for second-story windows. Increased home value and appeal. Upgrading to vinyl windows isn't just about comfort, it's also about boosting home value. New, energy-efficient windows improve curb appeal and signal to potential buyers that a home has been well maintained. For homeowners thinking about selling in the future, vinyl window replacement can be a strong selling point. A smart upgrade for Metairie homes. With their durability, energy efficiency, low maintenance, and affordability, it's easy to see why vinyl windows are becoming the top choice for homeowners in Metairie. They're built to handle local weather, designed for modern living, and offer long-term peace of mind. For homeowners ready to enhance comfort, reduce energy costs, and refresh the look of their home, vinyl windows are proving to be a smart and reliable upgrade.